finished somewhat Christmas shopping. Okay, turn it off. Bye! So, just got a text.
Do a little dance for a Christmas dance.
Mom, you do a Christmas dance.
How do you do it?
People are gonna see this.
How you do it?
I'm not gonna do it.
Or do this. Let's say you do that.
Oh my god. Click here. Sign on to Lane Vids today. Sign here today!
Hey guys, went shopping today. I got Krista's Christmas gifts taken care of. I can't tell you what they are because I don't want her to watch the vlog and see it. I'm not gonna do that. So we just got kind of like some little stuff that I found. We're gonna go watch the Saints game tonight over at John and Rachel's and at Josh and Stephanie's. We're breaking it up half and half. We need to find something to eat tonight, and I don't know what to do. What should we eat tonight?
Hey, subscribe! And don't forget to rate this 5 stars! Favorite this video, leave me a text comment, and also please give me a video response. And share this video with all your friends on YouTube and elsewhere.